Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades as per usual. And let's dive right into the analysis here. So it does look like Bitcoin is running into some resistance here that I have outlined. Again, this was my target area for the B wave to potentially end in. And I mean, it doesn't mean we have to end right here right now, but just to know we are running into resistance here. And again, I do expect maybe one last pop to 75,000 and then maybe a reversal from there. And again, we could overshoot it by a fair bit if we are looking for this B wave to finish and then come back down in a C leg, right? And then we will be following up to see if this is going to be playing out. If not, it's going just to be an extended fifth wave, and this fifth wave can extend further and further, like I have outlined here. Obviously, I have the count like really big right here right now, but we'll see, because right now it doesn't look too impulsive. To me, this move looks a little bit corrective, because impulsive would be looking for something like this, right? Straight up moonshot, very impulsive waves, right? And then but yeah, I mean, we'll see how everything plays out. For now, the markets seem to be kind of like a little bit of in a lull right now. Not too much like explosion towards the upside, but we are continuing to grind higher in this market on the S&P, the Nasdaq, the Russell 2000. Tomorrow we have CPI coming out, so that's going to be impacting the markets once again with some more data. If it's good, you know, we'll see some upside. If it's bad, maybe we'll see some downside initially and then more upside, like we saw on Tuesday. We had hotter than expected CPI. The market sold off, but was bought up right back up, and we rallied nonstop throughout the day. Okay, right now let's take a look at wave edge. Bitcoin getting some more selling right here on the daily time frame, not on just this chart but all charts. So again, to me, it looks like more profit taking. I know the narrative right now is that a lot of Bitcoin is flowing into the Bitcoin ETFs, right? So it makes for a very bullish case, right? So lots of Bitcoin being held, no selling happening. But again, you need to remember, when they're buying these Bitcoins, right, someone's selling it to them. So it's always buying and selling, and then it's news events that drive these prices up and drive the prices down as well. So maybe we'll get a catalyst. I know it's actually like a big meme right now. Like this big trader is like Gareth Soloway is short from like 55,000, and or is it like even lower? It's like 50,000, or I'm not sure what it is, but he's like underwater like 45%, and they want it to pump even higher, so he gets blown up, which isn't nice. But it's kind of funny that I saw that the other day. And we'll talk about like that call that I made on Hex too, because I'm still holding my Hex position, and it's quite unfortunate that this happened. You know, like we're set up for a nice little breakout, and we did break out, but it reversed and dumped completely all the way back down here. And again, you know, there is risk to everything I do, and this was more of a personal position, not something that I called out in the Discord, right? This is not a spot position that I told people to enter in. These are actually my positions that I posted today. We got some in the money, some a little bit in the red, but overall trending up. So we got some nice gains. So if you guys want to join the Discord, you get access to all these trades that I post in real time here. So feel free to join whenever you want. The link is in the description, and the membership is 50% off right now. So if you're trying to get some signals from me or my trades, it is 50% off right now, only for this week. Let's continue, and we'll take a look at some selling pressure here. Not some selling pressure, some money flow on Bitcoin. I wanted to take a look at the money flow, and again, it is increasing on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. New daily candle, we have a 7 and a 0. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we have green money flow. The momentum wave is starting to roll over, and I guess you could say that the money flow is, yeah, it's still increasing. So it is increasing, so that's bullish. 1-hour time frame, we don't have that thick, super thick green money flow here, but we are trending up, and we continuously have some positive green money flow. And I mean, this fifth wave that is illustrated here can continue to extend higher if we just keep making higher highs. And again, I expect us to make higher highs, and I'm assuming everyone in history is in profit on Bitcoin as we make all-time highs, except for probably Gareth Soloway. And we'll follow up with you guys tomorrow on what happens. But yeah, this is my expectation. Once it plays out, and if it does trigger my order, then I'll be entering most likely a bit of a short position here, and I'll let you guys know in real time what that leverage and everything is going to be, and hopefully we make a nice little gain on that one. But if it doesn't and it blows right through, then we'll get stopped out and we'll look for the next trade opportunity. Okay, because right now we are still in price discovery mode, but it's not that uber bullishness that I'm feeling right now. There's not enough bullish people, so maybe we will keep pumping into this higher level until everyone is euphoric, mass euphoria, and everyone buys, and then we'll reverse down. Okay, all right, so that's basically it. Not much to add. I can do a little bit of analysis on Hex. So Hex on the daily time frame on market cipher, very bearish right now. You know, you had a massive drop, bearish dual band strength index numbers, and you made a lower low today. Down, it was actually down 60%. But I want to note something. So you can call me biased if you want, but just on Hex right now, when we got this big 70% drop, right? We saw about 164 million coins sold, or 164 million in volume. And today we dropped about 61% from the open, and we saw about 374 million. So significantly a bigger amount of volume. You could say it's selling, obviously, but it looks like some buying definitely came in today, right around the lows. We can even take a look at wave edge. You can see, I think on the 1 hour time frame, we did get some buying at the low. Sorry, this is the wrong chart. This one right here. The 1 hour time frame, was it the 1 hour, the 2 hour? I forget which one it was. Maybe the 30-minute. I did see a big buy candle right around the lows, or maybe it was like the smaller time frames, like the 10-minute. Yeah, well, I guess we got some buying coming in right at the lows here on the smaller time frames. But I like to focus on the larger ones, like the 4 hour. We saw some buying here. We have a green cross right now. It looks like we are getting rejected from previous support, so maybe we will get some more downside in Hex, but I'm not adding to my position right now. I'm just gonna hold on what I have for the long term, and if it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out, right? So can't get them all right, but we do get a lot of the calls right inside the Discord in terms of the spot trades and the leverage trades, so that's what really matters. Anyways, hopefully you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.